Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Kwame & Co. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable spot selection for your classes in Momence. Starting from the Momence dashboard, click on Studio, then click Spot Scheduling. This is where you're going to be setting up your rooms. If you have some rooms already set up, you can edit them just by clicking on them here. Otherwise, click on New Room, and start by giving your room a name. This layout down here is the default layout that's applied to any new room that's created. You can click and drag any of the items in here like so. And you can also add in new items like spots, objects, and you can also give the items labels just by dragging them underneath. Once you're done, click on Create Room. Now all you need to do is update your classes. So go to the class that you'd like to edit. Then scroll down to the bottom, click on Spot Selection, and then click Enable Spot Selection. From the room drop down, click on the new room that you just created, and click Save Changes. Once the class is updated, you'll see that spot selection now appears here, and when customers go to join your class or create a booking, they'll be able to choose from any of the available slots. That's all that needs to be done. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.